Repair your foundation walls and save a fortune on costs. Here at Cobra Carbon Fiber, we have the best foundation repair products in the industry at an affordable price and easily accessible through our website. Our products, ranging from carbon fiber to metal brackets, are engineered to use the structure of the building to provide superior solutions to foundation issues. Each product line is easy to learn, install, and versatile in different situations. As a homeowner, you can easily save money by doing the repairs with our carbon fiber and epoxy. Have peace of mind that you are using the best products in the industry, and passing foundation inspections will be a breeze. As a contractor, you can create new and greater opportunities for your business by using our foundation repair product line to add new services for your customers. Fix your bowing walls by going to cobracarbonfiber.com and order today.